Viewers, today you are going to learn how to fix Owlet Dream Sock not charging. So if you are worried, then watch this video till the end. So let's get started. If your Owlet Dream Sock is not charging, you can try these steps. Number 1. Check the cable for any damage. If it's look worn out, switch to a new USB cable. Then you can test with another cable to confirm whether the original one is the issue. Also inspect the base station to make sure it's powered on and the board is clean. If that does not work, then reset the sensor by removing it for a minute, then placing it back on the base station. Then watch the light indicators. Pulsing white means charging, solid white means fully charged. You can use the application to check battery status and confirm it's charging properly. Always clean contacts on both the sensor and charger with a dry cloth, or you can try a different power outlet if there is still no response. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.